One of the key things you need to be able to do when you are performing exploratory data analysis, also called as EDA, is to be able to convey your findings by visualizing the data in form of various types of plots. In Python, there are several plotting libraries, more recent plotting libraries, but it is Matplotlib that still sits at the core of plotting world. There are many other libraries that are built on top of Matplotlib itself. So even today, you will find a lot of plotting related code written in the Matplotlib library itself. And you will still find the majority of users using Python still use the Matplotlib plots to quickly churn out any type of plots. Now, when trying to learn Matplotlib, it may initially appear to have a bit of a steep learning curve because it can take a while to understand. There are two different types of syntaxes within Matplotlib itself and understand how things fit together. So first, what we are going to do is to have a quick overview of the fundamentals of plotting with the Matplotlib library. This will help us create more complex or different types of plots further down the line.